Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix couldn't load high resolution images issue on Messenger. So if your Messenger photos are blurry, not loading, or showing that annoying error, this step-by-step guide will help you get it working again. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure you have a stable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if the problem is caused by a weak signal, because poor connectivity often prevents Messenger from loading high-resolution media. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and simply try turning off data saver or low power mode. If you're using a data saver mode on your phone or within the Messenger app, it can block high-res images from loading. After that, you have to make sure your Messenger application is updated. For that, open up your App Store and then in the search bar, search for Messenger. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it, and if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen, and if you are still having issues, you want to go ahead and simply uninstall Messenger application and then reinstall it from the App Store. And that's it. One of these steps should solve the couldn't load high resolution image problem on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.